Manage your incoming payments with ease. This tutorial shows you how to receive payments using online check writer. Let's get started. First, head to the side panel and select Receivables. This is your hub for all incoming payment activity. Next, choose Receive Payment from the drop-down, or click the Receive Payment button directly. Enter the amount you want to receive. Then, select how you'd like to send the payment request. If you choose Payee, pick an existing payee from the drop-down, or click Add New to create one. Their details will appear automatically, and you can update anything by clicking the edit icon. Need to send a payment request instead? Use the email option to deliver the request directly to your recipient's inbox, or choose SMS to send it instantly via text message. Next, select the bank account where you would like to receive the funds. Choose an existing account from the list, or click Add New Bank Account to connect a new one. Fill in the payment details including the invoice number and a memo, then share the request using the QR code or by copying the payment link for easy distribution. Customize any additional payment preferences and then click Request Payment. Review the request summary and click Send Request to complete the payment request. Please note that a nominal transaction fee may apply when funds are transferred from your received wallet, depending on the selected destination type. Your payment request has been sent successfully. Click View Request to review it, or select New Payment to start another request. Here, you can view and manage your payment requests. Use the corresponding tabs to quickly access requested, pending, new, printed, rejected, and canceled payments. Once your payee completes the payment, you will have the option to accept or reject it. Please note, you must accept a payment before the funds can be deposited. Once accepted, you will have several options for what to do next. With an accepted payment, you can print and deposit it as a check, transfer the funds instantly to your bank account via direct deposit, complete the action later at your convenience. Click the three-dot menu to access additional actions. If you receive the payment as a check, you can print it on check paper or white paper. To confirm that your check has been printed correctly, click the Yes button. Transfer the received fund directly to the wallet of the ACH-approved bank account using the Direct Deposit button. Using this button, you can also create a deposit slip using the received checks. You can manually pull money from one's account through ACH by clicking this button. Your bank account needs to be approved for the manual ACH process. Provide the required details. Then customize your payment by choosing same-day ACH for faster processing, schedule for future payments, or recurring for automated payments. Once everything is set, click Process Now to initiate the transaction. View the payments received through the payment software on the ePayments page. By clicking on this button, you will manage the recurring payments received through the payment link and ACH on the recurring page. You can pause, resume, and cancel recurring payments here. Click the Overview tab to view a summary of your incoming payments and activity.